So here we go, we have an exclusive look at the first ever Brabus Rocket with 1000 horsepower. Yeah, 1000 horsepower, absolutely crazy. 0 to 60, just 2.6 seconds. You see this crazy fixed rear wing. Just have a look inside as well. Loads of red details show you this is a really special Mercedes. Obviously the Rocket name reused from previous cars as well. All the wildest Brabus creations. This one a Brabus masterpiece. So much carbon on the car, even inside the door. And then we'll go around and have a look at the black car as well. We've got grey here and black. Really, really cool. A little bit more under the radar in black, but I love those sort of carbon splitters at the front. We've got the carbon on the wheels as well. Those wide arches on it. Only 25 of these are going to be made.